Welcome. My name is Flow with Sky, and today we are going to do some yoga with a strap. Let's get to it. Laying down on your mat, you can also do this in your bed. Settling into the space, draw your knees into your chest and sway side to side. Opening up the knees, drawing big circles. Keep your right knee in, isolating those circles. Make sure you hit both directions. Reaching for your strap. Begin to hook your foot with the strap, stamping your heel high, hamstring stretch. Flex your toes towards your face. You can play with walking your hands up that strap. Hanging out for a few big breaths. Focus in on breathing through the back of your leg. Exhale, gently bring your leg out to the side. Keep the strap in your right hand. Opening up the thigh, you're welcome to also add a bend to that right knee. Keep your left side body glued down to the mat. Big breaths. Exhale, bring your leg back to center, placing the strap into your left hand, supine twist, gaze towards your right hand, teeing out that arm and grounding down through that right shoulder. Spinal twists are great for digestion, also releasing any toxins from the body. Inhale, bringing your leg back to center. You can release that strap and place it out to the side. Bring both knees in, left knee in, right leg long. Draw those big isolating hip circles with that knee. You can gently reach for that strap, hooking your foot with that strap. Stamp your heel high, flex your toes towards your face, hamstring stretch. Working into the back of your leg here. Deep breaths. You can gently open up your thigh. Your left leg falls to the left, keeping your hand on the strap. Focus less about bringing your leg to the earth and more on how you feel here. Inhale, bring your leg back to center. Exhale, supine twist. Drive your leg over to the right. Gaze to the left. Twisting from the base of your spine all the way up to the crown of your head. Taking extra big breaths here. Inhale, reach that leg high. Gently release your strap and place it out to the side. Hug both knees in. Feel the openness you've created in your body. Gently rolling onto one side. Thank you so much for joining me. This is Flow with Sky. I hope you enjoyed this stretch. Catch you next week. Bye.